Yeah, we're going. We're going.
Are you ready? One.
Hang on.
Yeah, there you go. This is gonna be terrible.
Okay.
Think of Dirty Dancing with underwater. And she does it.
I had it if you weren't giggling.
It's like,
I was powering up. Oh, I'm not as limber as you.
Don't
Double over Kai?
No.
1, 2, 7.
Oh, my foot slipped.
Dad, you need to like extend your leg.
Extend your leg.
You stand right over here in the sunlands.
Yeah, because my shadow's in here.
Go again.
Oh, now I can do it.
I'm not in your...
My foot slipped. That's why I did my foot slip.
Oh, man. That's exhausting. Alright, 1, 2, 7, 69.
Is Dad giving birth?
That's what we're talking about. Don't drool on me.
Don't drool.
Don't drop the tea.
Spit a loogie.
One-hander.
Don't drop the
One-hander.
soap.
One-hander.
Wow, you guys should join the circus.
Okay, legs are going. Oh, yeah.
Eddie, how do you get like full extension on your legs?
I can't because then you'll be like this.
That would be better.
Superman. It'd be Superman.
Get grandma out here.